Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to remove and insert the bobbin. Let's take a look at the parts of the bobbin. We have here the bobbin case. We have here the bobbin. Now this is the bobbin case. We have here the bobbin case slit. We have here the bobbin tension arm. We have here the bobbin case latch and the bobbin pigtail. We have here the bobbin housing unit and the rotary hook. Make sure that the bobbin runs on a clockwise direction. Now we're going to insert the bobbin into the bobbin case. Now keep pulling the thread until it goes to the bobbin case slit. Keep pulling until it goes to the bobbin tension arm. Keep pulling until it goes to the bobbin pigtail. Rotate twice in a clockwise direction. Before inserting the bobbin into the machine, we need to make sure that the pigtail goes up. Now we're going to insert the bobbin to the bobbin housing unit. Now we're going to remove the bobbin from the bobbin housing unit. Just simply grab the bobbin case latch slowly, like this. Thank you for watching how to remove and insert the bobbin. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.